Isn't it romantic? Not really. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are going to talk about something everybody forgets about Valentine's Day, and it just drives me crazy. You get your house all beautiful for Valentine's Day. You can check out my Valentine's Day video, which should by now be up. Might not, we'll have to see, I don't know. And then you sit down for that wonderful at-home dinner, and you look around and, oh man, look at that. You forgot the other part of Valentine's Day. When we do our dinners or we do our tables, a lot of people just concentrate on the table setting, not what you're actually going to see. And I talk about this a lot, especially from the point of, your dinnerware, that sort of thing. Everybody spends a fortune buying these really fancy and intricate plates that are then covered with food, and nobody ever actually sees what the pattern is until they're like displayed somewhere. But the other part about this is that for Valentine's Day, you really want to have all of your dinner stuff, all of that prepared, cleaned up, put away, so that way when you're sitting down to your Valentine's Day dinner, to your Valentine's Day dinner, you are just literally staring at each other, not the fact that your entire house looks like you spent the last 4 days making Valentine's Day dinner. So clean up everything that you possibly can. If you can't get it all cleaned up, hide it. Go ahead. Feel free to hide it. It is okay to hide things which you can't possibly clean up in that amount of time. Why do I say that? Well, because I want your Valentine's Day dinner to be romantic. I want it just to be the two of you having fun and enjoying yourself, and what better way to do that than just to not worry about these things. Like I said, prepare it, get it all done as much ahead of time as you possibly can, then stash everything away. So that way when you sit down, the only thing you should have to think of is just the two of you. The other part about that is, if you possibly can get it all made way beforehand, so that way you can run the dishwasher, so that way you can also, once you're done with dinner, you don't have to just you can put your dishes in the dishwasher and hide them away so that you can have your romantic evening if you're staying at home. Clean up the house, make it all beautiful, and I promise you that you'll have a better Valentine's Day than if you just sort of left that one thing. I know this seems like it should be, well, that's just normal thought, but a lot of people forget about the fact that from where they are sitting, both of you, not just one person, you have to make sure that it is pretty and it is nice and you will enjoy yourself. Let me know what you thought about that down in the comments. We've got lots more holidays coming up really soon. Valentine's Day is the one that I don't do tons for because I just find it one of those weird personal holidays. To do Valentine's Day, it should be all about you, what you find romantic and what you find interesting. So put yourself into Valentine's Day and don't spend a lot of money for it. Just enjoy yourself. Spend more time with each other than money. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.